one thing that a plant needs to grow. Hello, today is Build a Bloom Day at Stafford ECC in Stafford, Texas. And the purpose of this event is to introduce our young students to gardening and to healthy eating, and also to integrate a little bit of STEM for our early scholars. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and take you guys on a quick tour of our garden. Our garden has many sponsors. We receive community support. We receive support from Donors Choose, and most recently we've partnered with Spartan, Texas. And so Spartan, Texas is going to really help us to get our garden spruced up for the students so they can enjoy and appreciate this space that was donated by the community. So the STEM career for this month is Botanist, and that is teaching the kids about plants and plant life. And so what we did, we taught the kids about different fruits, different vegetables, and also about the different vegetables that we have in our garden. We have everything from strawberries to spinach. We even have flowers in our garden. Everything in our garden, it serves a purpose. The flowers are going to help keep the pests away. Of course, we have the edible vegetables for the students to eventually pick and eat. We also have even rubber snakes to keep the big animals away from eating everything that the kids have grown. So we started off with the vision last year. We started off with one small plant, and as you can see, we are growing into something big, and we hope with the support of the community and with donors that we can have more for the kids to enjoy when they come outside to our garden. Okay, so for maintenance, we do have to come out once, twice a week. Sometimes we do come out on the weekends just to check on our plants to make sure everything is growing, make sure everything is thriving, make sure everything is healthy. So I would like to give a shout out to Stafford MSD, Stafford ECC, and our principal, Ms. Hines, for giving us this opportunity to use this space to help our students to learn about plants, to learn about healthy eating, and so they can pass this information on to their families, on to maybe their friends, and maybe on to other people in their communities. And hopefully this is something that can spread out for the whole community of Stafford.